today's special, Black Moon's latest launch, a cute note. It says, "Dear Nini, we are so excited to share with you our long-awaited urban myth palette with you. We can't wait to see the out-of-this-world looks you create with them." It comes packaged like this, with this beautiful spaceship. We have the Loch Ness Monster, some beautiful moons, galaxies, some spaceships, and some woods. Here's the back. It says Urban Myth, and it's nice and spooky looking. I would love to get lost in that forest. The palette is here. The Urban Myth palette. So beautiful, so much detail. So freaking dope. I just want to jump around the whole house with this palette. We have a spaceship mirror with a bunch of beautiful stars and like galaxies inside, and they always put this cute protective black moon sheet. Here is what we're working with. These beautiful shades, very great variety. But we have 5 mattes, 3 intense foils, 1 duochrome, and 1 shimmer. So here are the mattes all on the bottom. This is the intense foil, Area 51, Boogeyman, and Paranormal. Bloody Mary's the duochrome, and Bermuda Triangle is the shimmer shade. And here are the swatches. Beautiful. I'm going to show you how to get the fun colors, super shimmery and bright and vivid, with this baby. So taking some handy dandy tape, I'm going and right up against the lash line, we're gonna do a nice fierce eye look today. Now that our eyes are prepped, we're gonna grab Chupacabra, focusing this purple shade all in the inner part of my eye. And then we're gonna take this just about to where our center of our eye is, like that. Next, we're going to grab Loch Ness. I'm just tapping this over the purple shade we have here. And bringing this a little past our iris. Tap this into place and bring it over the purple shade just a teeny bit, bringing it a little closer to the brow. Then we're going to take crop circles, focus this on the outer edge. Bring it out a little over the blue. With a clean brush, run it along the edges of the colors that we just placed down for a nice flawless blend. And to diffuse them together, just run it along the edges for a very nice blurred effect. Here's this side blended, and this side's not blended, so you could see the difference. Now with a extra fluffy blending brush, we're gonna lightly go over each shade to make sure they melt with each other. Now I'm just gonna go over each shade to intensify. Just packing it back on here. Back in with Loch Ness. crop circles on the outer edge again, layering these over each other. Taking Black Moon's super fluffy blending brush and just lightly buffing over our colors we have here. Now taking Black Moon's Orb of Light palette, use this shade in Nude. We're just going to pat this right under our brow and a little bit on the inner part of the eye. Now I want to darken our look up, and I'm going to be taking crop circles and Loch-ness mixed together. This on the very outer edge, just to deepen this up. The black shade from the Orb of Light palette, we're gonna pack it a little on the outer edge as well. So we have a nice little gradient going on. Now that that is nice and deep, we could remove our little tape. We're gonna work on our bottom lids. Now we're gonna take Super Goblet again and place this on the outer part of our eye with the same patting motions, because we want our color to be most intense. Dipping into Loch-ness, this we are placing on the inner part of our bottom lid and bringing it over to the purple shade. Now we're going to dip into some more fun shades. We're going to try to use all these. We're going to be picking up Area 51, focusing this on the very inner part and make it magical and glittery. Going to pick this shade up. I want to place this shade on the inner part of my eye. Wow, that's so gorgeous. Bermuda Triangle. This is going on the center of our lid. On the center, right in the center of our lid. Just like this. That is so stunning. Now we're going to use Paranormal, going over the darkest shade we placed. Our eyes look so magical. Purple, blue, and green. We are going to be using Black Moon's eyelashes in the style Cancer. And they're so beautiful. These are my absolute favorite pair of lashes ever. They have such a unique style. Just gonna pop these on here. And these are cool because they give a winged liner effect. Now we finished our eyes. Time to go back to the face. And for highlight, we have Black Moon's Moonlighter highlighters. And here we have Cat Shark and Glowworm. Glowworm is a beautiful green highlight, and Cat Shark is a beautiful purple highlight. We're going to take Black Moon's super nice fluffy brush, dip right into Glowworm, and run this along our cheekbones. Just like that. And if you want it more intense, I suggest spritzing your brush with a little bit of water, dip back into your color, and this will really brighten up and be super reflective. Taking the shade Cat Shark, highlight the Cupid's bow, a little dot on our nose, and a teensy bit on the inner part. To take the shade Warrior, just like that. This is the finished look. Very colorful, like jewel tones. My favorite colors ever are very deep, colorful yet sparkly, almost like galaxy looking. And these lashes give a perfect wing effect, especially with how we placed our shadow. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed. Thank you Black Moon for sending over this amazing palette. This is definitely a palette that I'm going to be using very much. Has all my favorite shades and so much you could create with all these beautiful colors. Hit that subscribe button and follow my social medias. I'm here on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. All names are under Grotesquemakeup, same way it is spelled here. Bye!